Do y'all enjoy hot boozy drinks when it's cold out? Well, it is dry or damp January, so I wanted to share with you a hot toddy mocktail recipe. You deserve to be happy and healthy. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for all the bonus tips. All right, so let me show you what you need for this recipe. For the hot toddy mocktail, we need some hot water boiling at 205 degrees Fahrenheit, a tall beer glass like this, some honey, about a tablespoon of it, and this dispenser is so gorgeous. It was gifted to me by Ashley. You know who you are. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. Lemon. We have 2 packets of black tea. This one's decaffeinated. You can go caffeinated if you'd like. We have some dry whole spices here. So this is a cinnamon bark, some cloves, and lastly we have a juice press, a knife, and a cutting board. This lemon gets extra treatment in that it was washed and scrubbed because we're putting the lemon skin inside the drink. Okay, so we're going to cut it in half, and half of it is going to be squeezed into our mocktail, and then we're going to cut this cut side down so you have a stable base. Voila, there we go. And make sure you cut it this way. All right, so we're making some half circles about a 1/4 inch thick, like so. Okay, and we are just preparing our garnish for our drink. So we're taking these beautiful cloves and we're placing it into each of the wedges there. Okay, like so. I like to put extra because I like the clove flavor because it makes the hot toddy more unique in taste. We're back at the home bar, and the first thing I'd like to do is to squeeze the lemon into the container. Juice and stirring it up, and now I'm going to put some of this hot water in there as I stir the mixture of lemon and honey. And as you can tell, the honey is being dissolved with the hot water, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to add the tea bags into this hot mixture and let it steep for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we'll take our cinnamon bark and pop it in there for more flavor, and our garnish of a half lemon circle with cloves. It's been about 5 minutes, and we're going to fish out the tea bags with this tablespoon. Be careful as you raise it up, and I squeeze just a little bit of it there to add a little bit more tea flavor, and I'm giving it a little bit of a stir to incorporate all the flavors. Tell it looks like there's whiskey in it, but this color is thanks to the black tea. Give your hot toddy a little taste for tartness or sweetness. If you need a little bit more tart flavor, add some lemon, and for sweet, add more honey or maple syrup if you are vegan, and adjust to your taste buds. Really soothing. That wraps up our video on how to make a hot toddy mocktail for dry or damp January or any month during the year. All right, so if you have any suggestions or questions, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week, and remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.